So I've been shopping at the helmet center for over 15 years. The best purchase I've ever purchased is my Sherry helmets, and I'm about to purchase another one tonight. I'm a military guy, so I was a no-nonsense guy. And I told them from the beginning, like, don't BS me, man. Like, I need people to help me out. I want to feel safe when I'm out on the road. Like, help me to get the right stuff, for my bike and for my gear. And from the first day, that was always the case. They always shot me straight on price, on selection, what was good, what was not good, what was faddish and not. So I wouldn't dare go anywhere else. When I grew up in California, I had several family members that were part of motorcycle clubs. Yeah, and although it was a different type of bike that I ride, it was two wheels and it was mild and gas and the personas and just the family feeling that I got when we were around the clubhouse and around the set, as we call it. I just knew I had to ride. And before I was never able to actually ride, I started watching road racing, and that did it. Like, watching road racing with the old school guys, the Wayne Rays and those guys, then, just I had no other choice. I knew I was going to ride.